Welcome back, guys, into this new video to Express. Today I'm going to be showing you the very easy way how to get started with the AI image generator of the Leonardo. One of the greatest things about this is that sometimes starting from the blank text prompt can be challenging to have a specific idea for composition, for poses, color palette, or general style. Basically, Leonardo can be helping us really well with this. So basically what we're doing here is to focus into what's an image to an image generation in the Leonardo. So the image to image generation, which falls under its broader image guidance features, means you provide the artificial intelligence with two primary inputs, which is an input image. This is your source image and the text prompt. So this tells the AI what to create, what to change, or what new elements to introduce based on the input images. So what I want to do, of course, is to use Leonardo element. So first of all, I'm going to navigate directly into my image generator, which appears here into the left section. I'm going to go for AI tools and go for imaged. When I click into imaged, you can see that we have this model. Now into this model, what you wanted to do is to look out for one model that can be helping you with this specific image to image section. So for example, let's say that I want to look out for something cinematic or portrait perfect. Here's my style. I'm going to hit for none. There's low contrast and fast generation mode. Then I can go for the image dimensions in medium. I'm going to leave it like that, and there we go. Now when I selected this model, into the right section here is the AI creation. Now what you wanted to do is to enable the image guidance and upload your image. For that, you wanted to focus here for the option that says imaged, and you click in here where it says image guidance. Now here for image guidance, what you want to do is to reference the aesthetics from an image to influence the output. You can do character references, you can do content references, and here is now going to be available. In this case, let's go for style reference, and you wanted to of course choose, for example, this specific style of this character. So when I choose my character and I go for confirmed, automatically what's going to be happening here is it's going to be using this enable guidance that I'm going to be using now for my prompt. Now after your image is uploaded, you'll see a slight label image section style, and you can change the strength from low to maximum. Basically, this is going to be really critical because the AI will heavily prioritize the input image composition, colors, and content. Your text prompt will act more as a filter or modifier, right? So I'm going to go for mid, because mid means that we just use this for style transfer or significantly content change while retaining a core structure. Now I'm going to try to change my style, which in this case should be, for example, a landscape from a futuristic I don't know, or place or country or city, neon lights, retro wave, whatever. Then on the left panel you can choose your model. In this case we have already done that, so I'm going to just go for the option that says generate, and automatically down here is going to be generating us a model. So basically I used this model before to create something a little bit more anime style, and it generated me this image, and basically it does look really well, but still this for example, this katana looks like Star Wars, so I'm not going to be focusing a lot in that, and that's why I wanted to be using and change the katana as it actually appears in here, and this actually looks really accurate. So I use these colors to generate a landscape from a futuristic city, neon light, and retro wave. And check this out, it uses exactly the same colors to generate this kind of images, and it doesn't look that bad actually. It does look really well. So you can see this actually looks really richer waves and elements, and I think those are going to be really helpful. Now if you wanted to mix this image with another one attached, for example, let's say I'm going to be using, I don't know, maybe this one. I select here, and I can choose the flux content to add more than one image at a time. So I'm going to close this, and something else I'm going to be doing here is to change now the style. You can change it for portrait, cinematic, and so much more. But basically those are a few ways of how we can generate image references, images to images. You download your artwork, of course. Once you're satisfied, hover over your chosen image and click the download icon into the top left corner to save this to your device. You can download this image, of course, here, and it's going to appear in here into the section, and there we go. So I'm going to click here into my image, I double click, and I preview it, and here it is my image already been downloaded. So there you have it, guys. It was a really easy tutorial on how you can actually get started generating that kind of stuff, practical use cases. I can tell you to make consistency, because while dedicated model training is best for ultimate consistency, image to image can help maintain the character likeness across similar poses or within a short series of generation by using a character reference image with a moderate image weight. So really important to take that in mind. So hopefully was a very useful information for you guys. By blending your visual input for your creative prompts, you unlock an unprecedented level of control. Thank you once again for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully with all this being said, you can all see you into a brand new video to Express.